seen it, right? They're not respecting you. Women aren't respecting you, and I'm gonna show you exactly why. One, you're a sub 5. This is a black pill term. I've been going down a rabbit hole on YouTube. This is a black pill term for dudes that are a 5 or under that basically have no hope in society. Once you adopt this mentality, it's game over, and I promise you, people will not respect you. Do not adopt this mentality. Radical change is possible, and no, it does not happen overnight. I'm gonna call BS because money, status, charisma, fitness, style, it all play a massive role in your entire package that can move you on the spectrum, that can get you the respect that you're looking for. Shoot, there's prime examples. Look at Jack Harlow. Look at that dude when he was like 18, 19, and look at him now. By the way, even in today's standards, if you take his fame and money away and his charisma, that dude is ugly. Like, that dude's not over a 5. He's a below or a normie or a sub 5 at most. Look at the dude from Top Gun. Mark Miller, I can't remember his name. The dude from Top Gun with the mustache that every girl is simping over just because of the movie just came out. Again, money, charisma, fame, all played a role. Meaning, you work on yourself, you can make a drastic change, but, yo, this is a 5 to 10 year process. 2, you try to control her. See, too many guys try to control the outcome of her actions, which you cannot. Meaning, too many guys, they'll give something to her with expecting something in return. You expect her to say yes to a date. You expect her to do this. And then when she doesn't, instead of walking away with your respect and your head held high, you get mad at her. Now you get salty. Bro, I'm telling you, she ain't gonna respect you. 3, you're mad at her preferences. Yo, this is ridiculous. I don't understand why so many dudes are caught up on bashing women on their personal preferences. You can't change people. Yo, I like skinny women. I like girls with the big butt. I like girls with the pretty face. I like girls that are family oriented. I like girls that are smart. These are my preferences. Ain't nobody gonna change that. Anyone else is just not for me. And I know the woman that I describe is not an easy woman to acquire, which means I'm gonna have to level myself or had to level myself up to acquire whatever I wanted to acquire. In the same format, women have their preferences, which for the most part, they're pretty standard, right? They want the confident guy. They want the guy that's dominant, the guy that can set boundaries. They want the guy that looks strong. They want the guy that has money. They want the guy that is confident. They want the guy that has status. These are pretty much universal standards that you can ask 10 out of 10 women, 9 will come back saying yes, 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 yes to that. So what does that mean? You got to step up to the plate. 4, you're depending on just one. Yo, you got to understand, most women have 4, 5, maybe 6 dudes on rotation. And I'm talking average looking women, right? They'll have about 6 dudes simping over her on rotation. She doesn't need to respect you or give you time. You, on the other hand, you only got her because you're one of the 6 dudes that are around her. You're one of the 6 simps that are giving her attention because you are only focusing on this one girl. You're giving it your all while she's not respecting your time. She's not respecting you at all. She's getting attention from all these other dudes. So she's acting aloof. She's acting like she doesn't care because she doesn't care. And I know that sounds tough, but this is why I always tell you, don't just focus on one girl because I promise you, there's a million other girls that are probably better than her. 5, you allow the disrespect to happen. For example, you give her your time, she gives you nothing in return, you continue to do it. That's disrespectful of your time. You give her flowers, gifts, compliments, but she gives you nothing in return. Yo, that is disrespectful of your energy, of your effort. You are allowing that, and therefore she will continue to disrespect you. See, at the first offense, you should walk. And you should have a rotation of girls that you're talking to where you're not attached to this single girl. Yo, she didn't respect your time or your attention or whatever. Yo, you keep it walking. Once you leave that vacant space and she's looking, yo, Cody used to give me all this attention. She's going to be looking around for that attention. When that vacancy happens, that's when she's going to be looking for you. Ultimately, rolls us to number 6 is you're apologizing too much. Bro, stop apologizing for who you are. Stop apologizing for what you do. See, unless you actually did something wrong, you should not be saying, sorry, oh, I'm sorry, oh, sorry, do you mind going out with me? Oh, sorry, do you mind text? Bro, come on. Don't apologize for yourself. You're the man. That's it for me today. See you next time.